Okay, off you go then. Hey! And here is our very first bird to be plucked on the famous chicken plucking machine. As you can see, it works very well. Whoops. Whee! How do you do the wings then? Very carefully. Woo! Gosh. Whoa! I think you just want to go over the back and the tummy a little. Whoa. Might have to pull those out. Oh dear. Whee! Oh, poor chicken. Ooh. Whoa! That's its bottom. Oh dear. Brilliant. And whoa. I think those last ones might ooh, bit of a squelchy sound.
Oh, that's that, I think.
Yep. And hold it up. Finish. Oh, not that way, Daddy. It's a bit gruesome. Hold it up by its legs and that's it. Brill. And finish.